This is what the new iONIC Plus hair straightener was able to do. I went from super fro, big, poofy, thick, luscious hair, luscious curls, luscious afro, to nice, slick, and straight hair. Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video of As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. Now guys, in this video, I am so excited because TYMO sent me another straightener. We will be discussing the iONIC Plus hair straightener brush today. Alright guys, I am so excited because I have not straightened my hair in a few months. Normally I do not apply direct heat to my hair, but because I don't do it often, it's really fun when I get opportunities to play with heat like this. They did send me this, so we're going to be straightening our hair, and y'all, let's really put this straightening brush to the test and see if it can straighten through an afro. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and we'll see what's what. Okay y'all, so here is the box just to show you how it comes. Here is the actual brush. I used their other one and I already can tell that this one is a lot different. OMG. Look at this one, guys. This is how it looks. It's really rad. I like it. It's thick. It's not too heavy. Definitely a new and approved design. Do you guys see the bristles? Cool. All right. Okay, also I just quickly read over the guide and the directions, and there are temperature settings on here and they're digital, so you'll see that once I plug them in. And the temperature setting goes from 180 degrees all the way up to 450 degrees. So we'll be somewhere in between there, probably at like 350 or 340. And we're going to take this off. I love that it comes with the Velcro, so when I'm done I can just put it right back on there. I like that the cord is super duper long. Yay. Okay, I held it for like 2 seconds and it turned on. Well, this is heating up pretty fast. Like I can feel it, y'all. This is heating up really, really, really fast. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's moving. Look at that. Do you guys... Okay, all right, I guess we're just gonna keep it at 370 for right now. And the first thing that I want to do is just break my hair down. So like I said, I'm just gonna break it down in half, since I do want to put some thermal defense, because that's all I have. I don't have heat protectant spray, but I do have something called thermal defense from The Main Choice, and this one is their thermal protection for curly or straight hair. So we're gonna probably go with this one, and this is their peach black tea and vitamin fusion hairspray. So just spraying it down, nothing crazy. Alrighty, and then I'm just gonna work that in, and now we are protected, and we're gonna do that for each and every side. Alright, now we can begin, y'all. I have it set on 370 degrees. Super cool. It's definitely hot, so let's just go ahead and give it a whirl. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start to take it. Ooh, okay, it might be too hot. I'm scared. Why did it just start smoking like that? Let's start with the ends. Can you guys see? It started smoking a little bit. Wait a minute. Alrighty, now I feel a little bit better. Alright, I am going to turn it up a little bit because I don't think it is getting it as straight as I like it. So let's get it up to 390. Alright, and then once I start getting used to it, I think it's going to be a little bit better. It's not getting as straight as I want it to be, so I'm going to put it up to 410, and that is it. If it doesn't do anything after that, it's whatever. This is hot. Okay. Alright, it did a little something something. It's definitely very soft. It is very soft, y'all. It's gonna smell like a hair salon in here. Okay, let's move on to the next section. All right, next section is taken down. I am gonna go ahead and use my Tingle Teaser to just work through it one more time, but making sure all those knots are out. All right, so here we go. It's smoking. I don't know if you guys can see it. It is smoking. Okay, so here we go. I'm still trying to get the hang of it, so bear with me. I definitely think it's doing a lot better of a job now. I'm not sure if I need to go under. I think, oh yeah, there we go. Okay, yeah, so I have to go under. Okay, and I'm actually gonna use my Felicia Leatherwood because the bristles are longer. Okay, okay. I like that this is really thick, so you're able to cover a lot of hair at once. Normally I have to like break the sections down pretty small, but it seems as like I don't have to do that as much because it's more surface area to cover. This is cool. I actually like it. And we're gonna keep on moving down. So for those who want to straighten their hair at home, you definitely can use the new straightening comb, and I'll have all the information linked below for you guys. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is just detangle this section right here. All I'm gonna do is just start at my ends. Alrighty. And again, the easiest way for me is to go under, and then I just go slowly down. I just take my time going down. Yeah, that was one pass. Okay, cool beans. Do one more all together. Alrighty, cool beans. Yeah, because I don't want to pass it too many times, but I do have to like figure out how to get used to it, and I think I'm figuring it out. Going under once and maybe going over it once. And again, I only have 2 more sections in the back, and then I can move on to the front. What? You move quickly. All right, so we're gonna detangle. You guys see that? Alrighty, my hair is so soft. And then again, like I said, I'm gonna go under. And then I'm gonna go over. Wow, y'all, that actually took no time to get through that back section, and it looks fairly good. It looks really good. Is it silky straight? No, but it's a lot straighter than a blowout would be, and I actually really like it. I love how soft my hair is, and it just looks really, really good. It's definitely is straight, and you can tell. So let's go ahead and move on to the front. I think this is going to be easy peasy. We're going to get through this in a breeze because I'm able to part bigger sections. I really like this. All right, and then I just part my nice big chunk of hair. I start at the bottom. I like to detangle, and I'm using my Felicia Leatherwood brush because there's longer bristles. I just feel like I need that right now. I need the long bristles. Alrighty. So after I make sure all of the knots are out, now I can go in with the straightener, and I like to go under. And no, it's not hot on my face at all, and you guys can see how close it is on my face. It's not hot. And I just take my time going down, especially when you get to the ends. You just want to take your time. Yeah, the more you take your time, like that was one pass. That is really good. I am going to go on top one time. And then that is it. Just because I'm going so slow, all you need is one pass under, one pass over, and it's good for me. And my hair's thick. Y'all see it? Okay, so we are working our way to the front, y'all. I already have this section ready to go. All right, so we're gonna do one time under. And the reason I can do one time is just because I'm taking my time with it. Going really slow all the way down. And then one time over. Wow, you guys see how straight it got? All right, and then I can use my Felicia Leatherwood and just kind of rake through it again, getting everything together. Wow, it's getting my hair pretty straight for how thick it is. I'm honestly surprised. Okay, y'all, so we are working our way up to the tip. Cool beans. All right, so now we have to detangle. When you detangle, you want to start at your ends very gently, start breaking through, and just work your way up. All right, and now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and rake it through. All right, like one pass, that is not bad, y'all. And then I just do one time on top. It really doesn't need it, but alrighty, y'all, that looks really good. Looks really good. All right, so now we're on our last one. All I want to do is just detangle. Comment below if you guys use straightening brushes once in a blue. Probably would use this like 3 times a year, and I would definitely run to TYMO because they have good stuff. Hold on, I'm trying to figure out how to do this. Wait a minute now. There we go. You guys see? Nice and slow. Wow, look at that. And then I do one time on top. just to make sure we got everything. And that's it, y'all. At the beginning, I had to just get it down, but now I think I got it. It looks good. So here's what we are looking like. Yeah, that's straight. And let me show you the other side. All right, and here's the other side, guys. This is what the new iONIC Plus Hair Straightener was able to do, guys. I went from super fro, big, poofy, thick, luscious hair, luscious curls, luscious afro, to nice, slick, and straight hair. It's smooth, it's silky, and it only needed one pass. I really don't want to keep like rubbing my hands on it, but I am going to just brush it out so you guys can see that that was no joke. Wow, and it took no time. I think I got through this within like 15 minutes. That is like insane, just because of how big the straightener is. It's huge. It is huge. I love the digital display on here. I love that you can turn it up and down. I like that it's controlled. I like the upgrades that it has. I love the bigger bristles. I love the color. I love everything. So definitely check it out below. Now what I'm going to go ahead and do is do the other side off camera really quickly, and then I'm going to come back to show you guys how both sides look. So I'll be right back, y'all. And if you guys are enjoying this, please go ahead and subscribe. Hey, y'all. All right, so I am back. Hello, hello, hello. I am going to go ahead and turn this off because I just finished with my other side. I'm just going to hold down the red button until it turns off, which it did. Y'all, look at my hair. It's beautiful. Straight, long, luscious, still thick, still has body, shine, everything. This is amazing, guys, and I could do so many hairstyles with this. It's definitely straight, it's flowy. I just want to play in it, but I know you're not supposed to. I am so happy that TYMO sent me their new straightener. Again, I will have everything linked below if you guys actually want to try this bad boy out. It's so much thicker, so you can cover more hair or more surface area on your head, thus making you get through this style a lot more quicker. That is why I love the upgrades, y'all. TYMO did their thing. If you guys like my straight hair, make sure you guys comment below and let me know if this is a product that you might be adding to your hair stash as well. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel and stick around for some more videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Aleia. This is As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you on the next one. Deuces.